Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's up? No, the way I say welcome back to my channel, guys. I see you soon. I know that you guys see the title of this video and you're like, wait, what? Yeah, I really that we're gonna talk going up to the video. And I'm here with Shami. Divinity. And she currently has, if you hear some little in the background, it's the fan. So she has a story time up on her channel right now. We did a collab, you know, story time type of theme. So you need to go ahead and check it out. You need to go ahead and check it out. The link is in my description box, so you can go ahead and click it, check out what that's about. So today we're gonna be talking about the time when I made some, what do you call it? You know, YouTube's there already.
Some IRIE chicken.
Some IRIE chicken.
Some IRIE
yes,
chicken.
With the kush.
Nice. My glad my come out comes to this. Nah, like a beer is just going to sit me never there, so I'm just choke myself.
Come on, tell you. Alright, this wasn't my first time eating edibles. It was Swan's first time.
Yeah.
I wanted her to try. Alright, because I went to make a call in here.
But when they do the vlog, I just did elaborate on it.
Mitzi. We got our 1 year wedding anniversary or something.
Yeah.
And Mitzi make week.
Yeah.
And she give me one slice, right? I'm eat it and for about an hour I say.
When she just got it, she was like, oh.
No. Somebody else said, what are they? Oh, you alright? And I come down, get her one next piece. I'm eating next slice, and I'm eating next slice of the cake. Come on. I said, well, in the car actually, nobody know this. Up to this day, we thought about it the other day, nobody still never know this. In the back seat, I look for my hand and I see 5 different.
Oh, since that, look you from them time there.
I see 5 different and I'm moving from my face. So I said, alright. We can just drink some water and this will go, right? Come home. I'm in the kitchen for some strange reason and I share up food. Yes, I shared some food. I mean,
I was on my fitness journey thing. That's how I never did eat none.
Yeah, I eat my food and it's like the food, I know the food tastes good but I not taste nothing. The only thing I taste is the pepper out of the food that burned me.
What?
Like I couldn't taste nothing.
Like you were numb.
Yeah, I mean did I get like ugh. So I'm gonna put on back the plate now and come back in the room and just start dead with laugh and my body run hot. Like I was hot.
Wow.
And then I calm down, feel a little bit, then one time I say, yo, go dash out the rubbish. And I took up the rubbish and I went to the grill. And I was standing at the grill looking out. And something in my mind was like, one famous twin where the wicked in that back in them days. I'm like them they right this I look fine. Duppy. Yes, I did Duppy them they right this I look fine. I'm gonna left the garbage right there. I'm gonna steer go back inside.
Oh, and the rubbish they left it till in the morning. Oh wow.
Mommy said, why you leave the rubbish out? Yo. What? And then the next day we did have school. I just try to cram everything really quick because of this way I thought. But the next day we did have school. I mean I gotta take the bus. These are early class we did have, right? So I'm super focused because it's still upon me. I never sleep it off. I sit down on the bus with my hand on my bag. I'm just
school meaning college.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want you.
Super poised. I have my hand on my bag. I'm just stiff. I listen to my music. So there was this fly flying around, right? And my sister the fly come pitch for me, so I know I shouldn't panic. And when I go panic, it's just a fly. So the fly until it come pitch for me and I was like in the bus and I was like my heart was like I said, why would you that little boy? My sister the fly don't come. Yo, that day I remember walking into school I was like, God please I'm not gonna ever do this ever again in my life. Please me do anything to get good at feeling your friend.
Yo, quick disclaimer before we move any further. We just want to say, yo, don't do drugs. No, on a serious note, it's not even a laugh.
Don't do
the
it.
drugs.
Don't do it. Like, yo,
it's not cool, and it can really alter your natural character.
you say you would do things
Like-
when you never dream. Say you would
Like, trust me, you can kill yourself, you can die and not even know. Just be responsible, kids. Stay in school. That's why I just have to clarify. So yo,
it was college.
so she was like of age and stuff. So like, don't be like trying to be like yeah. But anyway, to move further on into the story. So this was my first. I don't know what it. Oh yeah, we watched a movie on Netflix.
We were watching The Trap on Netflix, right? Right? It was really a trap. So we seen a movie. They were saying we chickens are so and I said to me, Jimmy, you think that works?
No, because the people in the movie, I mean, it's just a show, right? Like, are we stupid? But like,
but
people in the movie were like, oh my gosh,
best
this is good. And I'm like, I wonder if it really tastes good in our real life.
we're like, it give the chicken one extra taste. Cause we're like,
yeah,
the best chicken.
Yeah.
Like when them eat it at your ching.
yeah.
I'm like, but
Yeah.
you want to try it?
Yeah.
We're like, we could try it. So
The following Friday, we said, alright, let's come extra chef inside. That Friday evening here, call over, and everybody just
got
there.
the good stuff.
Yeah, like me tell you what I say. We get enough. From in idea, me a boil it, you know.
Like the house was.
It's okay. So when I read up how to prepare it and stuff, it said leave it for like an hour to like an hour and a half to boil. 2 hours. My little thing I boil for, you know. Listen,
So it was an oil at this time. It was oil at this point.
It was a IRIE oil at this point. I remember when I really going. Yeah. So
we were making it was kind of like the Caesar fries type and fried chicken.
Yeah, and my fried chicken was like extra today. Like, I don't know, Kwang Trang doing a thing. Shout out to Kwang Trang. Well, I always shout out to Kwang Trang, but like, I actually did one of his method of how he does his fried chicken with the club soda and everything like that. So I saw me do it. Come and say, yo, may I put my foot in this, but not really. Today and like
she fried everything.
The fries, the chicken, everything fried at the Azine. So I'm like, I never think nothing.
Remember, I know we call it everybody knows. Everybody and them this and
This was dinner.
Yeah, we used to do like a thing where she used to cook dinner on Fridays and I just got like everybody.
Yeah. It's not even something that I used to necessarily vlog and say, oh, this is what I am doing.
We
just
did
it. Yes. So like the good old non-quarantine days. Yeah. That's literally what I just thought about. So time come now, but don't cook food, everything nice. Remember to even take a taste and take a sour one.
Nobody not taste it, you know.
And my shares, everybody food, everybody get them food, so they're gonna eat. Listen to me now, man. In a 0.2 seconds, my plate was clean. It was bomb. It was bomb.
This tastes normal, but
yeah, we weren't tasting any of the IRIE in it. Good girl.
This tastes. Everybody was like,
yeah. But like, yeah. So we
were in my room watching a movie.
Yeah. So I realized I start feeling I feel like leaf.
Then I said them feel light. I was feeling mad heavy. I was like, what was in my head? Like I was heavy and I got me feeling hot.
Oh my god, I was so hot. We were burning up.
That piece of heat there now heat. Like that heat.
Yeah, it
like,
comes from the core of your belly.
Every pore on your skin just
and then every laugh you laugh, more heat come out.
Listen,
it's like I laugh for every foolishness. Like,
everybody in my room was laugh.
like, yo, we were like just there, and I was like, so what? That was like, listen, my laugh didn't face that hurt me.
Listen, when you laugh too much, your dimples that hurt.
Yeah.
My face was so angry. No, like she's not even exaggerating.
That was exactly. You know, man can say, yo, Sue behaving mad extra right now.
She's not.
Because at that moment too, it's not like a drunk feeling. You know exactly what I'm going on. That's how the wicked is fast, you know.
Super conscious.
Like I'm conscious of what's going on. It's just that like
and then my
I
eyes
can't
are like
control
this.
myself.
My eyes are like
Like it's like your water bottle. Like I wanted to use the bathroom, right? And I remember there was a conversation.
multiple conversations we had in the house.
Yeah, and I was sitting on the toilet, and I was like, "This is the wall," and I was on the toilet, and I was like, "I want to get up, and I want to laugh." And in my head, and I say, "Oh, why do I hear everything what everybody else said?" I'm just like that, and nothing that they're saying is funny. That's the thing, I'm not funny now, one, you know. But I just laugh.
Hear the craziest part about it now. So you know I said we get hungry again, right? Tell me why we going to the kitchen and instead of find something else to eat,
I just say,
we're going to get more of the chicken. I think that was Swan was the first one to go back for more, and then I followed her into the kitchen. For some strange reason, I don't know why, we ended up on the ground.
no, I was like backed up, like, I don't know what you say. Like, she couldn't just say, excuse me. And I was like, and I had to go back and watch how weak me get because of the laughing. I had to like just slide down and sit on the ground in the kitchen, and I was just there.
I sat on the ground, and then everybody was on the ground. And it's like, why are we on the ground?
And we were laughing.
We were like,
we just had
on
dead.
the ground, and mommy come in and was like, when I eat that one up on the ground, so we had to get up.
Like we couldn't even explain ourselves, like how we feel or anything.
It was just like, like when I laughed to the point we just want to start crying. Like,
yeah, I did, but I couldn't speak. Like I remember Divine called me and I was like, he might ask me how my day go, I'ma tell him some cook, and I was like, my cook and right, my alright, you know, I don't know. And he was like, "You good, yo? You good?" And I'm like, "Yeah, but I don't know what's so how work I go," and it was like, "Everything alright?" And I was like, oh my gosh. I remember I'm telling you I'm not drunk, like I'm fully aware of what is going on, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I look so stupid. I was like, I'm gonna call him up here because I can't manage.
When I went to sleep, to some extent, sleep off the laughter. Because when I woke up the next day, I was super...
No, I feel like me I carried 10 buckets of water from my body. Like I felt so heavy.
Yes, when me I come just...
I felt like a zombie.
Boy, like, again, the second day, I feel like the second day was worse. Like, again, I found myself like, God, this time for truth. Like, but now I'm gonna do it again. But now I'm gonna do it again for this time for truth. Please me, I beg you.
Yeah, big guy. You make it. Listen. It was beyond us. Shoot.
We was out here.
Listen, I'm not gonna lie. That Friday night was extremely turned. It was extremely wild.
And then somebody else did in the house today, and she did eat it too. And she was like, "Oh no, go out in the fire! We don't burn down the place with the like, sis, what did you eat? Because I'm not hallucinating.
Yeah, no, yeah, she was hallucinating. And she was like, my dead. She was like, I'm dead. Oh, what?
You burn her with the fire. I'm like, sis, you need to go to sleep.
No. But sure, guys, like, it was the worst. The worst. Thankfully, I didn't know we had with it. And
yeah,
like, listen, we don't even know what time the next day we'll wake up, but like, we were just,
that next day is a blur. The only thing I remember the next day was that I was up by Luscious and walking with you, and we were in the pharmacy, and you said, shall I walk up now? And then I come somewhere and said, I walk fast. Yeah, that's the only thing I can remember. Honestly,
that's the time we had IRIE chicken. Okay,
we do not recommend.
Not one bit.
Zero. Negative 10 out of 10 recommend.
Don't ever, like, everybody body manage things on a different level,
and I think we manage it pretty good because I hear some people talk some stories to them money. Them pass out, them in hospitals, guys, and it was a very high dosage. You like it in, I know if you think about it.
Ended up throwing away every bit of oil that was
aisle. That's when it had chicken, everything. That shit.
And it was even much like no chicken never left. We eat up everything. That's the reason why we had it so bad. Like it was really bad. Like really bad. Like. I wanted to share the story with you because despite all the jokes and stuff, like it was still serious, and we just wanted to open up anybody out there, like open up anybody's eyes out there who might be considering to get like all turned, especially in this quarantine. You know, you might just want to escape.
Don't do it
from the lockdown, but like yo,
I feel like you're worse. Somebody in the house.
Yo, as we said, like we knew that we were laughing out of control, but we couldn't manage it. You can't imagine your body do something and you're aware what your body do, but you can't stop it. That's next level, like.
But in a sense too, it's like me that it made me get like short term. Like, alright, I'm gonna explain. You see, when I open my eye, may I see something, but when I let my eye, I forget what it is. Like, you understand me? So like when I close my eye, I feel like something different, like I'm zone out completely. I when I open my eye, it's like, oh yeah.
That when I was on the toilet, I felt like I was in the clouds. Literally, I felt like blurry. I felt like I was in the clouds, just laughing. Don't do it.
Please
like,
don't do it.
Don't do it. Like. But yeah, guys, that's the time we had IRIE chicken. Hope you guys enjoyed this story time. Hope you took something from this story time. Be more responsible. We did it because even though we know I say I did that while I eat, we were like, yo.
You know what? I just didn't want someone to feel it because you never feel it the first time with me. Someone to feel it. So in a mindset, me really actually never know if it's ever go like how it would have been since I did the chicken. Plus me answer one on chicken taste because everybody that one more chicken.
Let me know what you thought about the story time. Give it a thumb up if you enjoyed it. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I just wanted to break it up a little bit. I don't know, some of them video here every now and again, just break it up. And yeah, just want to stay tuned to both this channel and my vlog channel, and don't forget to check out Chami's story time. Right now it's live, it's lit, and until then, I'm your Petite. Bye.